Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping back in. I hope you're having a blessed and prosperous day. On today's video, we're going to IKEA and I'm out of town in Maryland. So friends, me and my daughter-in-law is going to explore IKEA. And this is my daughter-in-law's first time being at IKEA. Friends, these are some beautiful light shades and I've tried to show you the prices with it. Now, you know the names of IKEA things is very different because they're a European company. Now, these are new and there are some spice jars, but I could not find the prices. And that's the problem with some of the things we were looking at. It was hard to find out what was the prices. So overall, they have some great things and we are in the marketplace at this time. So guys, I hope that you can find something that you like. And this is 2022. Now these are some beautiful dish towels, that beautiful green color. So IKEA, you know, I love their dish towels. And these are their food container. I believe this one is 8 ounce. It should be around $8.99. And they do have a lot of food storage containers. Guys, I did this on a Sunday and it was busy. A lot of people was out. Now, a lot of these things, I'll be honest with you, like this gold silverware, you can find online is a whole lot cheaper. I think that gold silverware was like $30 and I can find that from Amazon for $22. But it was just a busy day at this store. You will see in this video, even customers, you know, sitting on the displays and things. So I don't know who they are, guys, but I just was taking pictures and doing videos. One thing I did purchase out of IKEA is this beautiful plant. It was only $69. And they are greenery and plants. Oh gosh, they are just so beautiful. And I'm telling you, their rugs, it's so much things that was just so beautiful. And the displays, when we watch this display rooms, guys, you just have to watch the lighting and how they just have everything set up and look so cozy. I just love it. And friends, as you look at this beautiful orange color, isn't that beautiful? Now that is a beautiful color. I know some of us don't like color, but look at the colors and how they have the displays. It just fits so beautiful with the IKEA furniture. And I sat on some of their furniture. They are really soft. Friends, the video just don't show how beautiful things are, how their kitchen and the displays are just so customized, and it shows you how to display these things. It is beautiful, guys. And I'm telling you, the prices were not bad at all. It's called it what you want, really. And this is a custom closet, so if you have extra space and need more closet, that is so beautiful. I know this was unavailable. I think it was over $1,000, but it wasn't really bad. And here, just showing you a picture of some greenery. And I'm telling you, this couch here is so comfortable, friends. So comfortable. So you might have to just zoom the video in to see some of the prices. And I just love all the displays of the bookshelves. I want to add some bookshelves in my office area, but I really want closed in, not too much open bookshelves, just a little bit, but not too much, because I want to display a lot of things in my office and then some things I want to hide away. So tell me, guys, what you think on this. And if you get an opportunity to go to IKEA, just be prepared to do a lot of walking. This is their beautiful mirror. I've never seen this before, so I believe this is new. But it should run around $129 or $139, and it depends on the color. Some colors I saw were like $99, but they are beautiful. I've seen them displayed in the bathrooms, and very, very beautiful. you see sitting on the TV, you know, it's a storage cabinet, and you see a lot of this in IKEA. You know, you can get your custom-made China cabinets or curio cabinets or whatever you may call them. Friends, tell me what you think about this video. Hopefully you find something that you can order, and they do ship online. I'm not sure about the large pieces, but I do know certain small pieces, storage things, they do ship. Now, I just love this kitchen. I love that sink. I just love everything about this kitchen. And that is a wine refrigerator. I wouldn't need that, but I would love a little extra refrigerator just for beverages. Friends, you could even set up a custom bookshelf with the lighting. So I'm just showing this to you, this just to give you some ideas in your own space. I love these beautiful white cabinets. This is a shoe rack, and you can order it offline. It's $99. And this is a beautiful black and white curtains, and if you want to order this online, here's the name. Friends, I thank you so much for coming along with me at IKEA. Hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed and prosperous day. Love you from Penny, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye.